Hello guys, hope that you're doing well and welcome to Learn IT with Jojo channel. Today in this video I will show you how to install MySQL Server on Windows Server. Let's do it. So first we need to download the installer of MySQL Server from official site of MySQL. I will open Chrome and then I search for download MySQL Server community. Yes. Okay. Go to download page and I will download the second one. No thanks, just start my download. Okay. Great. Now I have the installer of MySQL Server. Show in folder, glow, and install. Close this window too. Okay. Now, as you see here, we have some option to select. So it depends on your use case. You will choose the option which follow you the most. In my case, I only want to install MySQL Server, so I will select the second one, server only. I click next, execute. I agree to the license terms and conditions. Yes, install. Close. Next. Execute. Next. Execute. Nice. I hit next. Next. Here in the config type, I will choose dedicated computer because I want install only MySQL Server on this Windows Server. Okay, everything is good. I will click next. Yes, I want to use the best option for the security. Next. And here I need to enter my password. Okay. Okay. And so for this tutorial, I don't need to add new users. I only need root account. But if you need some service user for MySQL, you can add the user here. Okay. For me, it's good for me. So I continue. Next. Perfect. I want to configure MySQL Server as Windows service, and I want my SQL Server service run at boot. So it's okay. Next, execute. Okay, this step will make a long time. We have no choice. Just wait. Okay, it's not really long. Perfect. I hit finish. Next, finish. So I finished the installation of MySQL Server. And now we will check if MySQL Server, the service of MySQL Server is running or not. Service, okay. Okay, so the service is running, good. And the service is configured to start at boot. Perfect. But I recommend to change the startup type of this service to delay start. It means that the service will wait on other system services of Windows Server started well before started itself. So I will choose this one, apply, OK, close. And now I will try to connect to my SQL Server. Okay, CMD. Okay, MySQL. Perfect. So now I will MySQL hyphen u root hyphen p, enter, and I enter my password. Perfect. Now I am in MySQL server. I will try to show databases, enter. Perfect. Everything worked correctly. I quit. So you see, I will reopen CMD. You see that when I hit my SQL, the command line is recognized. Why? Because I already set the in variable system before the folder, the bin folder of MySQL. So it worked correctly when I finish my installation. But if you install MySQL for the first time, we need to configure to this system variable. So how do you configure this? I will show you right now. First of all, you need to find the location of bin folder. So how we can find the location bin folder? Normally, I will open a MySQL service. To find this, I open services, and then I search for MySQL service. Is this one? I open it, and here you can find the path of bin folder. Okay, you copy it, close. Okay, close, and then you can open Explorer to check if the path is correct. Perfect. So the location is correct. Now to set the system variable, you will right click on this PC, go to properties, and then advanced system settings, environment variables, path here, edit. As you see, I already set the location of bin folder here. So why when I open command line on Windows and I hit MySQL, the command line works correctly. So you hit new and then you enter the value here. But I already set, so I don't need to do this action. So just to show you, if I remove this variable, what will happening? Okay, I remove this, delete, and then okay. Now I open CMD again, and I hit MySQL. You see that we have an error. MySQL is not recognized as an internal or external command. So now I will check it. I will correct it. I back here, advanced system setting, environment. Okay, system environment, system variables, sorry. And then path and new, and I enter the location of bin folder, hit OK. Close this one too, and reopen command prompt, enter, and I hit MySQL. Perfect. Now MySQL command line is recognized. So I finish my video here. Hope that this video is helpful to you. And please like, share, and subscribe my channel to support me. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.